Every second, thousands of instant noodles begin a remarkable journey inside one of the world's largest and most advanced noodle factories.
From raw ingredients to a ready meal, every step was designed with precision and care.
The signature wave shape is created automatically, preparing the noodles for their first cooking stage. Long before noodles enter the factory, every strand begins as carefully cultivated wheat, growing under the perfect conditions.
Precision harvesting protects the quality of every grain before it begins its journey toward becoming premium flour.
Freshly harvested wheat now begins the next stage of its journey, where millions of grains will be transformed into the flour that forms every instant noodle.
Before milling begins, every shipment is carefully received and transferred into controlled storage systems to preserve quality.
Multiple cleaning systems remove every unwanted particle before the wheat enters the milling process.
Carefully controlled moisture softens the wheat, allowing it to be milled efficiently while protecting flour quality. Powerful precision roller mills transform carefully prepared wheat into the fine flour that will soon become instant noodles. Only after passing strict quality tests is the flour approved for the next stage of its journey. With the flour safely loaded, the first essential ingredient is ready to begin its journey to the instant noodle factory.
The ripe fruits are ready. We need to fill these carts quickly. This quality is excellent. Mark it down. Heading to the road now. The trucks are waiting.
The trucks are ready. Initiate the tilt.
Copy that. Engaging hydraulics.
Fruit is moving to sterilization. Monitor steam levels.
The chamber is sealed. Pressure is rising.
Holding steady now.
Initiating extraction prep.
The softened fruits are separated from the bunches before the valuable oil can be extracted.
Powerful presses separate valuable palm oil from the fruit using continuous industrial extraction.
After careful purification and quality inspection, the cooking oil is prepared for delivery to the instant noodle factory. After passing strict quality controls, the refined cooking oil begins its journey to the instant noodle factory.
Pure sea salt is another essential ingredient, carefully harvested before it enters food-grade processing. Exactly, the quality here is excellent.
Every crystal is cleaned, dried, and carefully graded to meet strict food manufacturing standards. Now 3 essential ingredients, premium flour, refined cooking oil, and food-grade salt, are traveling together toward the... Every noodle begins with ultra-pure water, carefully filtered and sterilized to meet the highest food safety standards. Purified water now joins the growing convoy of ingredients heading toward the instant noodle factory.
Corn is carefully received before being transformed into the refined starch that improves noodle texture.
Advanced wet milling separates pure food-grade starch that helps create the perfect noodle structure.
With food-grade starch approved and loaded, another essential ingredient joins the growing supply chain that feeds the world's largest instant noodle factory.
Only the freshest garlic, onions, and chili peppers are selected to create the signature seasoning used in instant noodles.
Every vegetable is thoroughly washed and inspected before the flavor extraction process begins.
Controlled drying preserves the natural flavor and extends the shelf life of every seasoning ingredient.
Precision grinding and blending create the balanced seasoning that gives instant noodles their familiar flavor. With the seasoning approved and loaded, another vital ingredient joins the journey toward the world's largest instant noodle factory. Before instant noodles can be packed, food-grade packaging film must first be manufactured from specially approved raw materials.
Precision extrusion creates a strong, food-safe film that will protect every packet of instant noodles.
Advanced printing technology creates durable, food-safe packaging designed to protect the noodles throughout distribution. Multiple protective layers ensure the packaging remains strong, hygienic, and ready for food production. With the packaging material complete, nearly every major ingredient and component is now on its way to the world's largest instant noodle factory.
After a long journey, Every essential ingredient finally arrives at one destination, the world's largest instant noodle factory.
Every ingredient must pass strict quality inspections before it can enter the production line. Each ingredient is stored under carefully controlled conditions until production begins. The central production computer activates. Computer-controlled dosing ensures every batch begins with precisely measured flour. For the first time, the essential ingredients come together, forming the dough that will soon become instant noodles.
The dough is carefully conditioned, allowing moisture to spread evenly before the rolling process begins.
Powerful precision rollers transform the dough into a smooth, continuous sheet with uniform thickness. Multiple rolling stages create the consistent thickness required for high-quality instant noodles.
The dough sheet is transformed into thousands of perfectly uniform noodle strands with remarkable precision.
The signature wave shape is created automatically, preparing the noodles for their first cooking stage. The freshly formed noodles are gently cooked with continuous steam, developing their texture before the next stage. Controlled cooling stabilizes the noodles, preparing them for precise portioning.
Computer-controlled cutting creates identical noodle portions ready for molding.
Every noodle portion is carefully shaped into a uniform block before preservation begins.
Keep an eye on the temperature here, it's critical. Copy that, looks stable. Perfect golden brown.
Freshly fried noodle blocks are carefully drained and cooled to achieve the perfect texture before seasoning.
Carefully controlled cooling preserves the crisp structure created during frying.
Every noodle block is automatically inspected to ensure consistent size, color, and quality.
Each seasoning sachet is filled and sealed with precise accuracy to deliver consistent flavor in every pack.
For the first time, the noodle block and its seasoning come together, ready for final packaging.
The noodle block and seasoning are wrapped together inside food-grade packaging with perfect precision.
High-speed sealing locks in freshness, while precision cutting creates perfectly finished noodle packets. Every packet is automatically verified for weight and food safety before reaching consumers. Robotic automation groups every packet with speed and precision for the next packaging stage. The finished noodle packets are packed into shipping cartons, ready for automated warehousing and global distribution.
Industrial robots build perfectly balanced pallets for safe transportation across the world.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable and secure during storage and transport. An automated warehouse manages thousands of pallets with speed, precision, and complete traceability.
Once an order is received, the automated warehouse prepares the shipment within minutes.
Pallet secured.
Last check complete, looks good to go.
Roger that, doors are closing.
From the factory, every shipment enters a high-capacity distribution network that keeps products moving without delay. Automated sorting systems direct every shipment to the correct destination with remarkable speed and accuracy.
Make sure the pallets are flush against the back. Right, boss. Grab the yellow straps. Lock it down. Documentation checked. Go for seal. Seal engaged.
Heavy-duty port equipment transfers thousands of containers every day with extraordinary precision. The ship is positioned, confirming final alignment with the lead dockhand.
Let's begin the unload cycle.
Automated cranes unload containers with incredible speed while maintaining complete shipment accuracy.
After inspection and clearance, the shipment is approved for delivery into the regional supply network.
Regional distribution centers prepare every shipment for fast delivery to stores across the country.
All right, that's the last 3 cartons. Confirming that's everything on the manifest. Stocking these now.
After an incredible manufacturing journey, the product finally reaches the customer.
The manufacturing process is complete, and ownership now passes to the customer.
The journey now continues in the kitchen, where the noodles are finally prepared. Boiling water prepares the final step of a journey that began with simple raw ingredients. After traveling through farms, factories, warehouses, ships, and stores, the noodles finally begin the moment they were made for. Within minutes, the carefully engineered noodle structure absorbs water and becomes tender.
The final ingredient completes the flavor that was carefully prepared long before the noodles reached the kitchen. A journey involving thousands of people and machines ends in one simple bowl of noodles. From raw ingredients to a ready meal, every step was designed with precision and care. Every bowl tells a story, beginning with nature, perfected through engineering, and completed at the table. Thank you for watching.